Hello, Alethea here again with Sail Along Sewing and Sewing Skill Building Saturdays. Thank you for joining me. I appreciate you all. Today we are going to do a deep dive into putting sleeves into a dress garment, knit sleeves into a woven dress. So the first step they want us to do, what makes this sleeve unique, it has two pieces for each sleeve. So let's do this. I thought it was good to see this play out. The first step is to sew the seams together. So this is one piece I have already on the machine, and this is the second piece. So we're gonna stitch them up like this, and they're gonna look like that when we're done. And then we're gonna move on with creating this sleeve. We have sewn our edges together and trimmed them. We have turned up 5/8. I did stitch 5/8 on the machine and then trimmed it down to 3/8. And now we are on step 2, which is with facings right sides together. We're gonna sew the edge of that sleeve. Okay, so I have sewn the two edges together, and it's looking like this on the inside and like that on the outside. And then I've attached it to the dress, and I've sewn the sleeve to the dress. The seam has to be trimmed. This is the inside look, and this is the outside look of the sleeve. Then the sleeve has to be folded here and turned in 3/8 of an inch, and sewn to the edge of this seam like that. And it'll look like this on the inside and this on the outside. So let's do that. Okay, so this is the finished product of a collar. It's actually attached to the dress, as you can see. And I'll show you a closer view of what I did to get it there. The sleeve. That sleeve is finished. Okay, so like I said, a close-up look up at the sleeve. The sleeve is finished, and this is the inside. I folded over the edges 3/4 of an inch and folded to this seam, and that is the result of the collar. This is the result of the sleeve on this dress, and I pressed it, and this sleeve is now completed. Thank you for watching. Remember to play the sewing game. It's featured each month at the beginning of the month. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe if you have not. We'll join the family. It's lots of fun. We'd love to have you. And leave comments. I appreciate you all. Thank you. Sweet sewing inspiration. And I'll see you in the next video.